Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to start the drugs and alcohol abuse. So now discuss more about an introductions of drugs and alcohols. Adolescence is the period between 18 to 12 to 18 years of age. In this, it is a bridging the childhood and adulthood. It is very vulnerable phase of mental and psychological development of an individual. In this age, use of drugs or alcohol occurs out of curiosity or experience as well as experimental, which later turns to addictions. Drugs and alcohols, when taken for the purpose other than medicines or physical, or taken in amounts of frequencies that disturbs the physical, psychological or physiological functions of body, the conditions is called drug abuse and alcohol abuse. So now discuss the drugs and various types of their mode of actions. Drug is the source of drugs are mainly flowering plants and some fungi. So drugs is obtained mainly from the flowering plants and some fungi. They belong to different categories like opioids, cannabinoids, hallucinogens, alkaloids, cocaine, tobacco, alcohol, etc. So now discuss one by one. So first we discuss opioids. Opioids or opiates are the drugs that bind to a specific opioid receptors present in our central nervous systems and gastrointestinal tracts. These are narcotic, analgesic, sedatives, and astringent effects. So some of them are like heroin, smacks, morphines, charas, ganja, etc. So now heroin is commonly called snacks. So first we discuss heroin. Heroin is called snacks, is a white crystalline, odorless and bitter compounds. It is obtained by acetylations of morphine and is diacetyl morphines. That is the chemically it is obtained from acetylation of morphine and is diacetyl morphine. Mode of intake, it is taken by snorting and injections. Effects, it also affects our body functions like it is work as the depressant. So heroin is a depressant and slow down body functions. It is known as smack. Source of heroin is morphine. Its mode of intake by snortings and injections. It is taken by snortings as well as injections. So these are the structural, that means chemical structures of morphine. So morphine is the source of heroin. Morphine is extracted from the latex of poppy plants. Its scientific name is Papaver somnifera. It is an effective sedative and a painkiller used by patients who undergone surgery. Its mode of action, they bind to a specific opioids receptors in the central nervous systems and gastrointestinal tract. So these are their mode of actions, and in it affects like our central nervous system or cardiovascular systems. It affects on our cardiovascular systems as well as our central nervous systems. Next, drugs like cannabinoids. Cannabinoids, these are the group of chemicals which interact with the cannabinoids receptors in the brain. Natural cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescence of the plant. Inflorescence of the plants of Cannabis sativa. Hemp like leaves, floral tops, and resin of cannabis are used to various combinations for productions like marijuana, assis, charas, and gaja. These are taken by inhalations and oral injections. It is taken by injections and by inhalations. It affects cardiovascular systems of the body. They interact with the cannabinoids receptors present in the brain and affect our cardiovascular systems. Now these days they are also being abused by some sports person. So these are source of cannabinoids, mode of intake, mode of action, and effect of cannabinoids. So now this is the skeletal structures of cannabinoid molecules. So the plants like Cannabis sativa is the plants by which we can obtain the different types of drugs like hashish, charas, gaja, marijuana, etc. So now next drugs like coca alkaloid, it is known as cocaine. So coca alkaloid, its another name is cocaine. It is obtained from the coca plant, Erythroxylum coca. From their leaves and young branches of Erythroxylum coca. This is known as coca plants. Cocaine is commonly called coke or crack. It is commonly called as crack or coke. It is usually taken by astronaut. It is commonly taken by the snorting and sniffing. Mode of its action, it has potent stimulating actions on CNS and interferes with the transport of the neurotransmitter dopamine. So it is stimulating actions. Its stimulating actions on CNS and interferes with the transport of the neurotransmitter dopamine. It affects a strong stimulant of CNS and produces sense of euphoria and increased energy. It is a strong stimulant of CNS. CNS indicated central nervous systems and produces sense of euphoria and increased energy. Its excessive dose cause hallucinations. Then the person takes in more amount, they can suffer from the hallucinations. So now discuss hallucinogen. Hallucinogen is the another drugs. Its source from Atropa belladonna. It is obtained from the plants like Atropa belladonna and Dhatura species. Lysergic acid diethylamide is derived from the fungus Claviceps purpurea. These are called psychedelic drugs because of their effects on the cerebrum and sense organs. These drugs are also called as psychedelic drugs because of their effects on the cerebrum and sense organs. So, its effects on our thoughts, feelings, and perceptions of an individual. So, these are the complete source, mode of actions, and effects of the drugs. So, these drugs also affects our thoughts, feelings, and perceptions. So, these are known as the hallucinogens drugs. Next, tobacco. Tobacco is derived from the tobacco plants. It is smoked, chewed, or used as a snuff. These are their mode of intakes. It is taken by smoked, chewed, or used as a snuff. These are its mode of actions. It has nicotine and alkaloid which stimulates the adrenal glands to release adrenaline and noradrenaline, which is turned increases the blood pressures and heart rate of persons. So it is affected to the persons like their heart as well as their blood pressures. It affects in the following way. Effects on the following way. First, smoking increases the chance of lung cancers. First is there lung cancer. Second, bronchitis. Next, emphysema. Then coronary heart diseases, cancer of throat, gastric ulcers, cancers of urinary bladders are these types of our organ systems, and our body parts is affected by tobacco. At least it is caused in the form of the cancers. So the persons which habituated that such type of drugs are suffering from different types of cancers in their body like lung cancer, throat cancers, ulcer, gastric ulcers, cancer of urinary bladder, etc. Next effect, smoking leads to increase in carbon monoxide. That increase in carbon monoxide content of blood, increase in carbon monoxide in blood, and reduces concentrations of heme-bound oxygen. Increase in carbon monoxide in blood and decrease or reduces concentrations of heme-bound oxygens. Heme-bound oxygens, that results of which oxygen deficiency in the body is created and the person suffer from their suffocations. Third effects, chewing of tobacco cause oral cancer. Chewing of tobacco cause oral cancer by the process of chewing, which become fatal in extreme conditions. So these are the effects of tobacco on a person's health who's taking the tobacco in the different forms. So tobacco is taken by the persons in the different forms like smoked, chewed or snuffs. Next, drugs is alcohol. That is also a form of drugs. Its mode of intake is oral intake. Mode of intake is oral intake. Mode of actions, alcohol has an anesthetic effect on nervous systems affecting cerebrum, cerebellum and other parts. Alcohol, its mode of taken oral intake. Mode of actions, alcohol has an anesthetic effects on nervous systems affecting cerebrum, cerebellum and other parts of our body. How its effect on our body, how it is effective? It causes euphoria, peptic ulcer, gastric carcinoma, hepatitis, liver failure, liver cell carcinoma, etc. Liver cell carcinoma, etc. These are their main effective cause that the persons leads by taking of alcohol. So alcohol is always taken in the form of oral intakes. It is taken in the form of liquid. So its mode of action is an anesthetic effect on nervous systems, cerebrum, cerebellum and other parts of the body. Thank you.